This query represents a common focus for formulators: how to improve the stability and skin penetration of active-rich systems. While molecular delivery systems like liposomes are important, the physical packaging determines whether those active ingredients remain in their intended state until the moment they are applied. If active ingredients degrade inside the bottle, their ability to penetrate the skin is lost. By the time that oxidized drop hits the skin, it has lost the chemical potency needed to perform. To address this, we've developed a 3-step technical evaluation framework to help you select the specific physical delivery system required for your formulation's chemistry.
OnlyTRAININGS. Learn what works in the industry.
Mastering the physical container is the first technical hurdle. Without it, the efficacy of advanced active ingredients is lost before they ever reach the consumer. Methodical. Step 1. Review your current formulation deck to conduct a vulnerability audit. This checklist shows the high-risk categories to identify: active-rich systems, natural ingredients, volatile compounds, low-preservative bases, and solvents. These specific compounds are highly reactive to environmental exposure. They are prone to rapid degradation when exposed to oxygen and UV light. If a formula contains these vulnerabilities, standard packaging can compromise the product's skin penetration potential before the consumer even opens the cap. Step 2 is matching your audited formula to a dispensing system that provides a verified airtight environment. Comparing the two environments: on the left, a traditional open jar allows rapid oxidation. On the right, an airless pump isolates the formulation. Dispensing a dose, the mechanical pump and internal piston move the product, preventing outside air from re-entering. Maintaining this unoxidized state is a technical requirement for ensuring that the actives retain the chemical properties needed for skin penetration. It is important to evaluate modern sustainability trends carefully, specifically the industry shift toward lightweighting and monomaterial structures. If not rigorously tested, these redesigns can reduce the plastic's barrier performance, leading to premature formula failure. Formulators must prioritize the structural barrier integrity of the material to ensure the physical delivery system meets its technical requirements. Step 3 involves assessing the direct chemical compatibility between the formulation's base and the packaging material. Formulations with high oil or solvent content pose significant risks during long-term contact with specific commercial plastics. This diagram outlines the 2 primary failure points. Migration occurs when plastic compounds leach into the formula. Blooming happens when the packaging material absorbs active ingredients from the liquid. These chemical interactions can ruin dispensing consistency and cause the packaging to fail during repeated use. A package must be chemically inert to its formula to remain a reliable delivery vehicle over the product's entire commercial lifespan. Once the basic technical requirements are understood, the focus shifts to executing these systems at a commercial scale. Modern formulations are increasingly complex, making reliable packaging a significant engineering challenge for R&D teams. This is the OnlyTRAININGS 60-minute expert quick session, designed to provide a technical framework for these specific stability and compatibility challenges. The content is taught by active industry professionals who focus on commercial scale-up and common manufacturing failures. The training covers material interactions, the trade-offs of sustainable packaging, and developing a commercial selection strategy. Scaling a product successfully requires specific technical data to mitigate risks and ensure long-term stability. The physical package determines the chemical stability of the formula, which is a requirement for any subsequent skin penetration. You now have a 3-step framework to audit formula vulnerabilities and identify potential dispensing risks. You can access the 60-minute expert quick session by clicking the link in the description. The enrollment includes full access for 3 months for $99. Applying these technical standards provides the data needed to ensure your next product remains stable and compatible